Hello everyone, this is SSS Nitish, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Vignan Institute of Information Technology, Vishakhapatnam. So, I am dealing with the course Geotechnical Engineering 2 in the current semester. I have just started up using this Moodle website. So, I have created a website for this Geotechnical Engineering 2 semester 2. So, let me just log in and quickly show you what I have done through this LMS platform. So this is the entire course that I have prepared. So before that, let us quickly observe the participants. So here I have just added 94 participants, out of which 2 participants are my co-faculty. And since I am dealing with 2 sections, I have added the entire sections. So let us now look at the other one. So I have made some course announcements here, where I have given some course instructions as well as a syllabus as well as regarding some assignment details. So in the course instructions itself, at the beginning of the course, I have just made it clear that they have to participate well in the discussions as well as the assignments. And for any discussions, I have given my WhatsApp number here to them. Apart from that, the other thing is that I have just mentioned the course outline COPO mapping for this Geotechnical Engineering 2 course. So I have listed the course overview as well as the course objectives here, and herein I have placed the COPO mapping for the entire course based on the course outcomes. And coming to the other part, that is, since my course doesn't have any prerequisites, so I just mentioned it not available here. However, I have given the timetable as well as the syllabus. So here I have listed the timetable which is completely embedded in it. So since I am dealing with 2 sections, I have just highlighted my course for this particular lecture here itself. And I have mentioned the syllabus here, Geotechnical Engineering 2, along with the subject code, and I have listed the course overview, objectives as well as outcomes, along with the unit 1 topics and some activity or event for each unit. And then coming to the other part, I have just given the lesson plan also here on how I would teach for this entire semester. So for the first unit, I have given live as well as recorded lectures as the methodology, where I have recorded some videos earlier, so I will be sharing it with them, and along with that I will be explaining the PPT in the online Zoom platform. Apart from that, here I have listed some of the previous year question papers, so I have made them available for them. So based on that, they can refer to some of these previous year question papers. And apart from that, we can quickly jump into the other one, as we have the facility in Moodle. I have provided the self-study materials also. I have given one link from NPTEL course for Geotechnical Engineering 2 by Dilip Kumar sir. He is from Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. So this is regarding the entire aspects. Regarding the contact hours as well as the discussion hours, I have listed completely in the discussion form itself. And coming to the other part, this entire thing, whatever I have stated till now, is in the module 0. And then instead of placing the entire thing as module 1, 2 and 3, I have listed it week wise, since I have prepared this entire thing on August 17th. So I have started with week 1, week 2 assessments as well as informations. So in the week 1, since it is based on unit 1, so whatever discussions are made on week 1, I have just given the headline, and I have given the material or the notes, so students can automatically download here whenever they click this particular link. And in this aspect, because the number of pages are very large, so I have made them download the particular Word document. Coming to the other one, that is the PPTs. I have shared the PPTs also in two different formats. One with annotations and the other is a simple text format thing. So this is also made available so that they can clearly download it here. It is not embedded, so a pop-up window will appear in this manner and they have to download this. Coming to the other one, I have mentioned the quiz also for their practice. I have given a practice quiz which is of 5 marks, and it is given for a time limit of 5 minutes so that they will get a quick idea about this particular Moodle website. And then I have embedded a demo video which is a recorded session made by me in the Camtasia software. So I have placed the video here and I have uploaded it in the YouTube, and just by clicking play they can play the
Welcome to the Geotechnical Engineering.
So apart from that, whenever I am teaching in the Zoom platform, I have recorded the session and I have placed that recorded sessions also in this Moodle website so that those who have missed the classes can go through these lectures as well. So this is the recorded session from Zoom platform which I have carried out. So
On which,
coming to the other part, I have given some practice assignments as well after the demo video as well as recorded sessions, some practice assignments with some rubrics format. This is just not for their practice and not for the assessment. And apart from that, in the end of this particular week, I've created a discussion form. So in the discussion forms, all they need to do is carry out some discussions. So I've raised a particular topic which is some of the important one in the basics of this particular lectures, so they can quickly reply it here. And getting back to the week 1 course, so this is regarding the entire thing. And in the week 2, at the end of week 2, I have given one graded assignment. So I have mentioned it with some rubrics of descriptive questions of 10 marks and then the numerical questions of 10 marks. So I said that these will be scaled to 10 marks. So I have given a document here, and out of this I will get to know how many participants have just drafted or submitted these. Coming to the other part, so this is regarding the lectures. So I've given week 1, week 2, week 3, and I've mentioned that module 1 as unit 1 and module 2 will be unit 2. So in that manner the entire course has been prepared, and I think it is going on very successfully till now, and students are really happy with this particular LMS platform. And I would really like to thank IUCEE for this great opportunity and teaching me all these particular courses. I'm left over with the last one, that is grading. So regarding grading, here there is an option grading. So simply in that, since I've given a practice quiz, so those who have attempted, they have clearly got their 5 marks. And since for practice assignment there is no marks, I have not assigned, and in graded assignment, which is out of 20 marks, only few of them have submitted. So I am yet to grade some of the assignments, and I have extended the time limit also because of this COVID pandemic. So this is regarding the grading. I can simply get the data from here. So that is regarding the entire course what I have prepared. I hope I have covered all the aspects of this capstone project. Thank you very much once again for this great opportunity.